Good morning, happy travelers.
Welcome back to our Maldivian adventure.
We are staying at the Conrad Maldives Resort. Today we are up as the sun rises to head out on a really cool excursion.
This has been on both of our bucket lists for a long time, and the Maldives seems like the perfect place to do it. We are going snorkeling with whale sharks. So excited, and kind of a little scared, to be honest.
It's a little windy today, so hopefully it is not too rocky out on the water. But before we do anything, we gotta head to the buffet restaurant to get some breakfast.
I need some coffee and croissants. Stat! We're back at the Atoll restaurant for breakfast. Although they do have breakfast on our island as well, which we haven't checked out yet.
Yeah, we'll have to check that out another day.
Maybe tomorrow. We
touched a little bit more in depth on this buffet yesterday. Today, the food is just as amazing. Went for some dim sum, got an omelet, pancakes that you can put banana jam and mango sauce on. And they also gave us our own little mini French presses today, which is really nice. Normally we would come a little later to try to turn this into more of a brunch, but because we're on the tour today, we decided to come bright and early. And it's much cooler and there's nobody here.
Buffet is literally twice as big as I thought it was. I didn't even find half the stuff yesterday, so I was in there for a lot longer trying to figure out what I wanted. Went for a waffle, an omelet, a pain au chocolat, hash browns, a strawberry marshmallow, and some pineapple.
I like the strawberry marshmallow.
I had to.
We have to meet up for the tour at 8:30 today, so we wanted to give ourselves lots of time for breakfast. Sushi at 8 a.m.? Why not?
We got recognized in the wild. That was crazy. Somebody watched our videos and they're here.
Yeah, that's never happened before.
It's never happened before. Oh, don't want. Oh, I'm so embarrassed.
That's where the awkward tourist comes out.
Yeah, a little bit. I'm like, oh no, people actually watch us.
It's about 8:30, so we have to head over to the water sports area and get prepped for the tour.
Who's got two thumbs and sees a whale shark? This guy. Just got a little presentation about the whale sharks from the resort's resident marine biologist. Apparently the whale sharks that hang out in this area are juvenile males usually, so they're not even going to be full grown, but they'll still probably be like, what did she say, like 15 to 18 meters. So still pretty big. The area that we're going is about 10 minutes by boat, and it's really unique because it's one of the only places in the world that you can see these whale sharks year round. So it's what they call a hot spot for this type of whale sighting, or shark sighting. Is it a whale or a shark? Shark. Shark. Signing my life away. Here we go.
So we're on our way right now to the atoll where all the whale sharks are, but they say that whale sharks are actually really quick, so if you see a spotting, you have to be ready to go right in. In anticipation of that, we're going to put this camera away and switch over to the GoPro. Seas are a little rough.
Whale sharks aren't aggressive or dangerous to humans as they're filter feeders and eat only tiny plankton. Even though they're harmless, we tried our best to keep a respectful distance, although sometimes the whale sharks themselves decided not to follow that rule.
That was so cool.
What a workout.
Yeah, wow.
Holy cow.
That was really hard.
definitely have to go very, very quick. Swim as fast as you can as soon as you see it. They move fast. But we're back in the boat. Hopefully headed to catch it again and do it all over.
Alright, okay.
Going again.
Yes. Okay. Ready, it's here.
Ready? Third time. Here we go. Holy crap, that was right next to me.
The third time that we were in the water, I bet you we swam for 20 minutes straight keeping up with this whale shark. By the end of it, I finally just had to give up because my legs couldn't take any more. Kelly wasn't feeling the best and had swallowed a bunch of seawater, so that third time she did not go in the water with me. And when she was waiting on the boat, she got seasick a lot of times. I got back on the boat, I could tell she was not feeling well. There were a few other people that were not feeling well also. Looking back on it, probably eating that big breakfast right before going on the tour was not the best idea. We asked the whole group if it was okay to drop them back off.
Some of us are not feeling so great.
Okay.
Would you like to go back?
They agreed to come back, drop us off, and go back out. The tour itself is supposed to be 4 hours long. We were only out there for about an hour. The seas were pretty rough, so it was understandable that a few people were feeling a little seasick with those first couple jumps in the water and how incredible the sightings were with these whale sharks. I don't think I needed any more. Also, after those first 3 jumps, a lot of other boats showed up and there were many, many more people in the water. The first 3 jumps, we had pretty much the whole place to ourselves with just our group. So it was a really incredible experience. I don't think I needed any more time out there, and I don't think my legs could have taken it even if I wanted to. So we're back at the villa now. Kelly is still not feeling well, but we're gonna get her some ginger ale or something, and I think she'll be better pretty soon.
So I have spent a little while recovering from being very sick on the boat. That was something else. I'm feeling a little better now, but we got some room service, something very simple, just a club sandwich, because I don't think I can handle anything more than that at this point. It's been nice to just relax a little bit, but hopefully we'll be okay to go out a little bit later.
Yeah, I think we'll be back at it pretty soon.
Yeah, I'm feeling much better, but man, that was an experience.
Have you ever been seasick before?
I've been queasy on a boat before. Generally not. Usually I'm fine. There's been a couple times where I haven't felt all that great, but I've never experienced seasickness like I did here. Like, it was bad. I mean, I'm not going to get into too much detail, but I was very sick. But feeling much better now.
How you feeling?
Feeling a little bit better, but it's been kind of a chill day. Like I said, I was super sick, and then when it's like 85 degrees and 1,000,000% humidity, it's not all that great to go outside. So we kind of just relaxed during the day. Now it's a little bit cooler, so we're taking advantage of our deck.
If you have to chill in your overwater bungalow all day.
Rough life. So as a welcome gift, because I'm a Diamond member, Hilton gave us a bottle of Prosecco, so we're gonna pop that open now.
It's kind of like ginger ale.
Yeah,
For
the
upset
bubbles
stomachs.
help.
Makes sense.
Uh-oh. Just started raining.
our champagne on the deck did not last very long. Crazy how fast the weather can change here.
Me over here saying, it's gonna be such a good sunset.
We had plans to just relax tonight anyways, because Kelly's still not feeling 100%. I think we'll just eat some of our leftovers and just relax. Luckily, we were still able to have an awesome first half of the day before Kelly got sick and we saw some whale sharks. I spoke with another employee that said that that doesn't always happen, and to get 3 jumps in when there was nobody else around is really, really rare. So super, super grateful that we had that experience. But I think that's going to be it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate all the support. If you liked it, drop a comment and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe so you can check out the rest of our Maldives adventures.
This is Kelly and Kevin from the Awkward Tourists. Peace out. We're going to be visiting the underwater restaurant here at Conrad Maldives.
Tons of different fruits and tons of different fruits.
Good?
Yeah.
Watch out for that tree. Don't walk into it. Walking and filming.
After those first 3 also after